Hey, you guys, welcome to Open2trading, and I am the manager, Michael Brooks. This part is part 5 on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and participate in the market. This is Option Chain. What I'll be discussing today is how to participate in the market. A lot of new traders that's coming to play don't know how to place an order and things like that. So even though you know about technical analysis, or you read the news catalyst, or you saw my previous 4 videos, you still wouldn't know how to participate in the market. So this video is going to be short, but it's geared towards the newbies. I love my newbies because the more people participate, the more volume that come into play, and I'll discuss that sooner or later. So today is Thinkorswim. So this is the platform that we normally use to place our orders with trusted brokers, and the brokers are trustworthy enough to help us submit our orders. So if you want to download the Thinkorswim app, and Thinkorswim is the broker app, and Charles Schwab is the actual broker. That's who will hold your funds. They're usually a bank called Charles Schwab. So I do have that on the website at www.open2trading.com. Furthermore, let's bring you back to the main topic, and that's how to participate in the market. So this is called an option chain. An option chain has a lot of details in it, but I'm just going to give you straight to the point. I'm not going to tiptoe around what's going on today. And this over here in this left hand corner is where you place your symbols at, whether it's Tesla, whether it's Apple, whether it's Google, whether it's Microsoft. Those are where you put the symbols at. And as you know, the symbols are usually abbreviations. That's going to be what you place here. So before you even think about looking up a order to place, make sure you understand my previous videos, and make sure you understand how to chart. Make sure you know what symbol you're looking for, and place that symbol here. And this is under the trade drop down. So that's what we do here. We're going to go to here. This is the option chain. This is where you place your orders. So we have the underlining. The underlining is for the shares. This is what the shares is going for. Shares is the actual company that you want to buy per share. I do also have a video on my www.open2trading.com, and you go all the way down to the bottom to my YouTube, and it describes the difference between shares and options. So the share is the last price of what Tesla was. Per share is $231, which we don't buy unless you're working with a large amount of capital. The net change is the difference from the open to where we previously are at on the time frame. It's 2:11 p.m. Eastern time. The bid and the ask is quite easy. The ask is basically what you're buying. The bid is what it's selling. And in between is the spread. That's what the brokers get. So that's their commission. So you want to keep the spreads pretty, you want to keep the spreads pretty slim. So this is 231.62, 231.67. They kind of move adjacent to one another. You want to make sure that those are really tight together. The wider the spread, the less money you get in return. So find something with some tight spreads, good to go. And this works for the options as well. Volume is the actual volume that's participating in the market. Open is the open of the price. The high of the price is the highest point that price reach. The low is the lowest price that price met. We normally don't look at this one, but that's only if you want to get really in depth. But this is the I'm going to drop down to the option chain. This is where you make your money selling options. We're going to do left to right. Calls is on the left, puts is on the right. Calls is buying, puts are selling. Buying, selling, buying, selling. And we don't really get into like the strategies, because they have like strategies where you can do multiple things, like do this, buy this, sell this, sell that. Those are called strangles and things like that. We just buy and sell based on the system that I have. Buy high, sell low. Buy low, sell high. If we're bullish or bearish, it just depends. Bullish is calls, bearish is puts. Buying our calls, selling our puts. So when someone refers to bullish, they say it's buying. Someone says it's bearish, it's selling. So those are the things you want to write down. So we have puts, bearish, selling. That's all the same name. So we have calls, bullish, buying, all three the same names. All right. So now we have strikes. These strikes right here will show you the list of options that the price is going at. And these are contracts. These are one contract each. All right. On the left hand side here, let's say 1723 of November. November 17th is when this expiration expires. This contract expires. And these are the underlinings options of the Tesla. So these has expiration dates while Tesla continue to moves. So the better the Tesla moves, the better these option gets. So that's why you make your money with the spreads. All right. So this one is 24 November 2023. So November 2023. This contract expires on the 17th. This expires on the 24th. Usually they're weekly contracts until you get all the way down here. So that's how you want to look at it. And you want to actually place your option on weeklies. It'll say weeklies biggest day. That's the end of the week. Be careful about buying these right here. These are monthlies and stuff like that. All right. Hopefully I got your attention. Now you can pull this down. 12 strikes. These are called strikes. This is strikes right here. It means that wherever the price is at, these are the price points of the underlining. Right here, the last price. All right. So these are here are the price of the share. All right. This is in the money calls, in the money puts. So these are already making money because where the price is at currently. These are out of the money. These are out of the money. So you have to, for example, to make money, this will have to go down to 217.50. We're currently at 232. So if you buy up here, buy this axe price up here, you'll need this to go all the way down to 217 so you can become near close to end of money. Now this contract is $142. It can go all the way down. It'll be worth $600.